Hello, today we are show you how to change your USDT TRC20 to your bank account. Firstly, select your crypto pair and click Exchange. In our case it's USDT TRC20, but you can also choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, TON and others crypto. Enter your card number and name of your bank. Then enter your contact email address and press Continue. Confirm your information. Now send USDT TRC20 to generated USDT TRC20 address to start the exchange to your bank account. After the first confirmations of the crypto transaction, the funds will be sent from BoltChange to your bank account instantly.